Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan white sauce pasta. First, begin by preparing your base sauce. Sauté 1 small onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic in 2 tablespoons of olive oil until fragrant. Then, in a separate bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour with 2 cups of unsweetened plant milk, like almond or soy. Slowly pour this mixture into your pan, stirring continuously for about 5 minutes until it thickens beautifully. Now, let's elevate the flavor of our vegan white sauce. For that classic cheesy taste, stir in 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast. This ingredient is key for umami. Next, add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard and a small pinch of nutmeg. These subtle additions truly enhance the sauce's depth. Finally, season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, adjusting to your preference for a perfectly balanced taste. With our sauce ready, it's time for the pasta. Cook 8 ounces of your preferred pasta, such as fettuccine or penne, until it's perfectly al dente, following the package instructions. Before draining, remember to reserve about 1/2 cup of that starchy pasta water. It's a secret weapon for achieving the perfect sauce consistency. Now, gently toss the cooked pasta with your creamy vegan white sauce, adding a splash of the reserved water if you desire a looser texture. To finish, garnish your delicious vegan white sauce pasta with some freshly chopped parsley or basil for a burst of color and freshness. If you'd like to add more substance, sautéed mushrooms, spinach, or even some roasted vegetables make wonderful additions. This comforting, dairy-free meal is perfect for any occasion. Serve it warm and savor every creamy, flavorful bite. Enjoy your homemade vegan white sauce pasta.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.